How to download and install MoneyGram on your device. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the source icon. Now simply tap on the source bar and type MoneyGram. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. If you don't find the application here, simply go back to the home screen and open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type MoneyGram APK download. Now click on search. Now scroll down a little bit. Now open up this website of APK Toy. Now simply tap on download APK. Now scroll down and tap on start download. Now click on download. Tap on download anyway. Now tap on three dots and click on downloads. Now while the APK is being downloaded, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Now once the APK is downloaded, simply tap on the APK and click on install. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.